Welcome back, my friends. This is Lindsay bringing you another work from home job lead. This one is non-phone based and is for my United States viewers only. The Mom Project is not a staffing agency, temporary agency. They are more like a talent agency. They work with big companies that are looking to hire for certain positions, and they vet not only the companies and the jobs to make sure that they are valid and scam proof, they also go ahead and work with the companies to vet the applicants to make sure that you have the qualifications for the job before you get interviewed. So they connect talent with companies looking for the talent. They are looking for a data analyst to work 100% remote. This is a temporary position. It starts in July of 2022. The end date is slated for January of 2023. It pays $34.55 an hour, and it is 40 hours a week, Monday through Friday. They are looking for someone who's a strong background in data analysis, digital marketing, academic research. They are looking for someone to review or interrogate large sets of data from different sources to evaluate the impact of the client's communication work against predefined metrics. You'll support the communications team in developing meaningful, successful metrics for its campaigns. You'll support in developing new frameworks to show the true impact of the company's communication strategy. You'll set efficient processes to collect and analyze data, and you'll work collaboratively within a global team. So you are basically just responsible for collecting and analyzing company data and reviewing that to weigh in on different weaknesses and strengths of the company. So this is going to require those of you that have a bachelor degree in communication, marketing, economics, statistics, or related field, some kind of financial related field, 2 years of experience in data analysis or digital marketing, great Excel skills or similar tools like Google Sheets or Google Docs, experience in extracting data from different sources. You'll need to be able to use data platforms to monitor media coverage and analyze media conversations, and you'll have to have strong organizational skills. Now, this company does offer great benefits, including medical, dental, vision, 401k, paid time off, and they pay up to $4,000 for the birth of adoption of a child. That is a rare benefit to get these days. They do look like they will require you to be fully vaccinated for COVID, even though you are working from home. So that is something to really think about. As always, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Feel free to leave down in the comments below anything specific that you are looking for, along with any education and background that you have, because I'm always reading the comments and keeping that in mind when I am searching for job leads to share. 2 videos will be popping up on your screen. One I picked for you and the other YouTube picked for you that you might enjoy next. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss another work from home or money making video from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.